Stop scrolling. Are you new to beading and you want to make your first ever beaded bag? You're in the right place because you're going to be making your first beautiful beaded bag. Hello, beautiful students, and welcome to Bead with Lisa's channel. On this channel, I teach how to make beaded bags from scratch. So if you've not been watching my video, you need to go and start watching my video from class 0 to class 9. So guys, we're going to be making our first beaded bag project. Yes, we're going to be going step by step. We're not going to be rushing anything so that you can understand better. So guys, in this beaded bag project that we're going to be doing, you're going to be making a medium size beaded bag, not too big, not too small. So I'm going to be listing the items that you will need for your beaded bag. We're not needing something much because we're just practicing with this. So when you're a professional, you can get other materials. So guys, you will need your size 10 mm bead. Size 10. This is called a sugar bead. So this is size 10 mm bead. You will need 0.70 mm fishing lines. 0.70. It has to be 0.70. You will need a D-ring. Two. You will need 2 pieces for the sides of your beaded bag. You will need your magnetic lock. This is a magnetic lock, and they have different types of magnetic lock. You will need a magnetic lock also. Don't forget, guys, I know everyone has this at home. I know we all have a scissors at home, so you will need your scissors. I think that's all we need for this beaded bag. Okay, guys, so do well to get this before our next So guys,
class.
we're going to be making our beaded mat. You're going to be learning how to build the sides of that beaded bag. You're going to be learning how to pinch the side of the beaded bag to add your D-rings. You're going to be learning how to attach your beaded handle. And so guys, we won't be having a very long video. We're going to be taking it step by step. So guys, stay with me. On our next class, we'll be starting this beaded bag project. Bye for now. I still remain your girl, Bead with Lisa. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please give me a comment and you can also share. Thank you.